Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z6557B. 33,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Siren red in color. You receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Very clean inside and out. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. And trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size 4-wheel drive pickup. EPA average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 40% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6557B to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.